A special coverage on the rapidly escalating crisis in the Middle East, where tensions between Iran, US, and Israel are once again threatening global stability. The Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical oil shipping routes, has now become the center of a dangerous geopolitical confrontation. At this hour, fears of the wider regional conflict are intensifying after reports emerged of missile and drone attacks near the Strait of Hormuz. US President Donald Trump has claimed that American destroyers successfully crossed the strategic waterways despite Iranian attacks, while Tehran has accused Washington of violating the ceasefire agreement. The situation has triggered alarm across the Gulf region. The United Arab Emirates reportedly issued emergency alert warning residents about possible missile threats and advised civilians to immediately seek shelter. Security agencies across the Gulf remain on high alert amid fears that the conflict could spill beyond Iran and Israel into neighboring countries. Now, to understand why the world is so worried, one must understand the importance of the Strait of Hormuz. Nearly one-fifth of the world's oil supply passes through this narrow maritime route connecting the Gulf to global markets. Any disruption here immediately impacts oil prices, shipping, global trade, and financial markets. Experts say even temporary military escalations in the region can create economic shockwaves worldwide. According to reports, Iran has introduced strict conditions for ships crossing the Strait of Hormuz, while the US has launched military operations aimed at protecting commercial vessels and reopening shipping lanes. The Pentagon has described its mission as defensive, but Tehran views these moves as direct provocation. Meanwhile, global oil prices continue to remain volatile. Energy markets are reacting nervously as fears grow that prolonged instability could severely affect crude oil supplies. Analysts warn that if the strait remains partially blocked and unsafe for commercial navigations, the world could witness a major energy crisis in the coming weeks. The war of narratives is also intensifying. Donald Trump has maintained that American military operations were successful and limited in scope, calling recent strikes merely a love tap. Iran, however, insists that the United States violated ceasefire terms and targeted civilian-linked infrastructure. At the same time, reports indicate that military exchanges between Iranian forces and US naval units have already taken place in the Gulf waters. Iranian state-linked media claimed US vessels came under missile fire after an American strike on an Iranian oil tanker, although official confrontation remains limited. This crisis is no longer confined to military tensions alone. The impact is now visible across international shipping, trade, aviation routes, and energy markets. Thousands of sailors and hundreds of vessels are reportedly stranded due to heightened security risk in the Gulf region. Shipping companies are either delaying routes or increasing security measures significantly. India too is closely monitoring the situation. According to recent updates, several Indian ships have already exited the strait safely, while the authorities remain in touch with regional governments to ensure safe passage for remaining vessels. Any prolonged crisis in the Gulf directly affects India due to its dependence on oil imports and the presence of a large Indian diaspora in West India. Diplomatic efforts, meanwhile, continue behind the scenes. There are reports suggesting negotiations between Iran and the United States are still ongoing, with discussions around reopening shipping lanes and reducing military escalations. However, experts believe trust between the two sides remaining extremely fragile. The larger concern now is whether this conflict remains limited or transforms into a broader Middle East war involving multiple regional powers. With missile threats, naval deployment, air defense activations, and oil market instability all happening simultaneously, the coming days are expected to be extremely critical for global peace and economic stability. For now, the world watches as the Strait of Hormuz crisis continue to unfold. Any further military escalations could impact not just West Asia, but economies and energy supplies across the globe. Stay with us for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe our channel.